puyang. Ang aming puyang-puyang. Ang aming puyang-puyang. Ang aming puyang-puyang. Oh, tingin ka oh. Oh, nandun ka oh. Alo. Nandun siya. Aming puyang-puyang. Aming puyang-puyang. Ang aming puyang-puyang. Puyang-puyang. Pupupuyang. Katulog ko namang puyang-puyang. Terereng. 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 Tulugon na, tulugon. You're so early wake up in the 3 a.m. in the morning. That's why in the morning you're asleep. You're going to sleep. Or you close mo out your now. Or you close mo out your now. You want to cry, you want to waras it. You close mo out the now. Very talk mama. What happened mama? Yun mama si cry, you know, cry mama, no mama. What doing mama? Abay, love you.